I feel like this
Absolutely.
is the best that we have right now in the ODIs, and people who are saying Pratika Rawal is not good, you guys don't know.
Yeah, I absolutely agree that, and that was something that even I wanted to talk about. That I know there's a lot of online hate going on that Patika Rawal is in the team because she's connected somewhere because of her father to BCCI, and that's all that is completely rubbish.
Yeah.
These are people who have just started following after 2 days back, like after that match. I think we should not pay heed to that, and that's people who've been following for a long time know that she is the best opening combination with Mandana at the moment that the team has. There is nobody better, and I know there's people talking about like Shifali Verma should have been in the Shifali Verma. You know how much I hate her style of batting, and I'm going to repeat this on record. Shifali Verma is not an ODI player, not yet an ODI player. She is that T20 opener. She does not have the stability. She cannot. She's not consistent with her batting. You cannot rely on her.
Yeah.
She's
Unless and
not there.
until she has Meg Lanning on the other side, she
Yeah,
loses her
with Meg Lanning on the other side, there is some magic happening with her.
some other player. Okay, she's an Australian when Meg Lanning is on the other side, but when it is someone else, she makes rash decisions while batting. While with respect to shot selection, I feel, and that's not helpful in ODI when it's 50 over and you have to keep your temperament and play with patience. Yeah, that's missing. Even I feel that way. I know people are mad at me for saying this, but yeah.
Yeah, and it's not like she's not a good player or she's never going to make it to the ODI team. That is not what we are saying. It's just that she's not there yet, and Pratika Rawal is the best option, best alternative that you have. And having said that, Shefali Verma right now there's a senior women's going on, right? And
Yeah.
Shefali Verma has been scoring very well. She's been performing really well in that.
Yeah.
But I think she needs that space to become an ODI player. She's not there yet. I think right now she should more or less she's doing well and she should continue to focus on her T20 game as well. That is where you can come and hit all kinds of rash shots and give like a very good start. But
Yeah.
that's not what works for an ODI, right? She cannot, like how Pratika Rawal and Mandana went up till 100, 150 without giving any random chances to the Australian bowlers. They did not have many good chances, like for
Yeah.
good almost until I think it was a 90-run partnership, they did not give away any chance
Yeah.
to the Australians. That I think is a testament in itself. Like you cannot underestimate this current opening partnership and all the other rumors and other stories that come up. I think I'm just not liking it. Like you keep quiet and follow it for some time before making comments like these on players who've been selected. And
Yeah.
it's a careful selection. I think that the current lot that we have was playing, been selected to play in this World Cup. That is the best option that we had given all the combinations.